From trouble with trash cans to a dash cam catching a downed tree, the Inland Empire is not being spared by these wicked winds.
Rob McMillan has been following the problems all day long and joins us live in Riverside. Rob, how's it looking out there?
Well, fortunately, the winds are starting to calm down at least a little bit. And even if you didn't face any significant problems yourself, for many, there is going to be a lot to clean up. High winds ripping through Rancho Cucamonga this morning as another Santa Ana wind event moves into Southern California, making driving difficult for some. Imagine being this driver. Now watch the left side of your screen as this large tree comes toppling over, nearly hitting him. Then this big rig blowing over on the 210 freeway in Fontana. Fortunately, the driver is okay. Many people having to change their travel plans this morning because of the wind.
I didn't ride my bike because it was so windy. I didn't want to get blown all over the freeway and everything, but it's pretty bad.
The trash cans themselves now starting to litter the streets. Everywhere we looked, we found cans knocked over, certainly making for a more difficult day for trash truck operators, requiring a little extra skill and a little more patience to get the job done. At Veterans Park West in Fontana, it wasn't windy enough to stop this card game because they had the right tools. In Jurupa Valley, firefighters responding to a commercial vehicle fire this morning, evacuating some of the surrounding businesses.
Yeah, we're just in there working, and we had a loud explosion.
We rushed out here and just saw smoke and fire. There was a bunch of fireworks popping at first, so that was probably what blew everything up.
The Riverside County Fire Department confirmed that there were fireworks in the back of the vehicle, illegal, of course, adding to the danger. The fire department getting a quick handle on the blaze, though. Quite a relief to people who live nearby, especially with these gusty winds.
Just worried that it's gonna just go to our house. That's how usually it goes with fires around here.
And it took the fire department about 2 hours to contain this blaze. A big relief to everyone who lives in that area that they were able to stop it from spreading, especially with such powerful gusts this morning. Live in Riverside, Rob McMillan, ABC 7 Eyewitness News.
Hello, I'm Mark Brown. Get more great ABC 7 content by clicking the subscribe button for our YouTube channel and download the ABC 7 Los Angeles streaming app on Fire TV, Android TV, Apple TV, and Roku to watch on your TV.